Have you ever wondered about the crucial role fire safety plays in aviation? Welcome to a journey into our distinguished Fire Officer 1 course, a beacon of excellence in aviation firefighting training. Here at AM Risk and Training, our mission is to arm emergency services personnel with the vital skills required to outperform the rigorous standards set by NFPA 1021. Our comprehensive course, spanning 2 intense weeks, is designed to accommodate both Level 1 and Level 2 fire officers, and those with aspirations to join their ranks. It serves as a stepping stone for those yearning to climb the ladder and become fire officers within the thrilling aviation sector. Our curriculum, inspired by the respected IFSTA 6th edition, is carefully designed to cover an array of crucial topics. Here we nurture safe, efficient, and effective leadership skills within the distinct context of aviation firefighting. We delve into the principles of supervision, management, and human relations that are vital for fire officers at all levels. We guide you through the administrative responsibilities relevant to both first-line supervisors and mid-level managers within the aviation fire service. We present innovative strategies for risk reduction, specifically tailored to the dynamic challenges faced within the aviation fire service. We help you master pre-planning techniques aimed at boosting emergency response preparedness, ensuring swift and coordinated action when facing adversity. We explore the critical roles and responsibilities fire officers have during emergency situations unique to aviation firefighting scenarios. Upon completion, you will leave with a vast skill set ready to shine in your role as a fire officer in aviation contexts. From understanding fire behavior and suppression techniques to demonstrating outstanding leadership skills in high-pressure emergency situations, our course prepares you for the challenges that lie ahead. To ensure a thorough grasp, our assessment methodology combines practical assessments over 7 days, where participants can showcase their proficiency in real-world scenarios, and a rigorous 3-hour written examination to evaluate your understanding across the curriculum. Embark on this transformative journey with us as we equip you with the knowledge, skills, and confidence to ascend in your career as a fire officer in aviation firefighting. Here at AM Risk and Training, we're not just shaping careers, we're forging leaders. Together, we will ignite excellence.